After 3 months, it finally arrived. My Get Some snack box. Let's see what's inside. First, it's a letter. I'll keep this aside for later. Pistachio cookie. Just like a snack mix, looks really good. Little looks like little chocolate coated cookies. No. Little teddy bear somethings. Lots of good stuff in here. I like the packaging. Ooh, chocolate, milk chocolate. More chocolate. I'm gonna have to sort these out. Ooh, every burger. I remember these. Is that green tea or wasabi? Pretzel. Oh, it's like little mushroom cookie things. Whew. Another Kit Kat. Pocky, I think? Yeah, Pocky. And Choco Brownie. Oh, and careful. He came all the way from Japan. Luckily, he didn't eat any of my snacks.